Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool graphic. And I'm not 100% sure I understand. He stated, how did he get the text to stretch like a normal font? Well, this is not a font. You can see it's a object. It's a curve. So let's just move that out of the way. We're going to use, he sent this other example, and it is a font. So we need to get the curvature. First of all, this curvature isn't equal. It's closer here than there. So we need to get this curve. A couple ways you could do it. The easiest way would be to take the rectangle tool and put a rectangle around it, take the smart fill tool, fill that in, and then you have that curve. Now there's always two ways to do this. My easiest way is to take the smart fill tool now and fill in that. And then left click, right click, and don't move it over yet because you wouldn't be able to see it because it's going to be so close. But hold down to get your pick tool, get your two-sided arrow right there, hold down your shift key, and then make it whatever size off there you want. And then I'm nudging it back over. And for the one I'm doing it for, set your duplicate distance on 0, 0. You'll be a lot better. In this case, it doesn't really matter. Now, so this doesn't interfere with the other, I'm going to, matter of fact, I'm going to change my nudge factor like to 20 inches now. And I'm going to nudge this over. And then I'm going to bring in my text. And if that's the size text that you want, all you have to do is go to text to path. And you want that, see that red line right here? Like if you move it over here, you want it in the center. So that way it's in the center. Now it is a font, so you can take the shape tool and use the shape tool, and you can expand the letters around, if that's what you want. I actually think it's a little bit big. I could have changed the point. A lot of times when you change the points, it doesn't stay there. I think that looks pretty good, but you can put it back to the size he had. And, you could take it and take the shape tool. And if you move this handle inwardly, it's going to bring them inwardly. Now it's also tilting it around a little bit. And then you can always take and select the whole thing and go right here and click, and it's moving it back around. Now, it's kind of hard to see. What I do is take an indexing line, and you can see that period is below. So if we select it again and then use your up and down keys to maybe put that period about the equal with that A, then select it all, go up to object, break the text apart, then take the text and just nudge it over. And now we've got a good arc. I personally think that's too big. I think this font is a better size. And one thing, while I'm doing it, you can go to text and you can straighten text, and then it puts it back. So then if you wanted to, compress it a little bit, this way, you're just changing the point, but you're not really changing the length. And then go to text to path, put on the path, get that red circle, see that red line, and see that my A and my period are the same. And then select it all and go up to object and break the text apart. If you don't do that, you'll get that cut line around there. That's a pretty cool graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.